Rima dindra shimbala. Such a sweet smell. Rima dindra shimbala. What a sweet smell. Gangneinam. Where is it coming from? Dine remindo. Not from here. Rima shimbodi medok ne redok. This is the lovely smell of flowers. Dine remindo. Not from here. Rima ngembadi achoki jiwa redok. This is the bad smell of cow dung. Rima rulji chen di nge kangshuk tokpe rima redok. Eek! This is the yucky mucky smell of my dirty socks. Rima shimbodi shoko takali tsapu rima redok. This is the yummy smell of hot luchi aloo. Rima ngarmote ngarche tsongkang sarpa dine redok. Aha! That sweet smell is from here, from this new sweet stall. Rima ngarmoti gulab jamun sube rima redok. The sweet smell is coming from these fresh gulab jamuns. Tokbatso keranzu ngatsu nakungnang bubdrin saya mangbo yoba sheji yodam. Dear friends, did you know that the insides of our noses are lined with millions of cells? Bubdrin dinzu rima tor che rokpa chejiyo. These cells help us to smell things. Bubdrin di namla tenne nganzu rima shimbodang tsokpo kangyin ngujin tupgiyo. They help us tell if they are good smells or bad smells. Rimala tenne nganzu trowa kangdeyo she tupgiyo. Smell helps us guess the taste of things. Rimala tenne nganzo ngebo te tang partak ringtung kangdeyo yang she tupgiyo. The smell of something also tells us how far away from it we are. Rima ngujinbar ngazo mile semjin nam torwa nova yu. The sense of smell is much stronger in animals than it is in humans. Ngazo kangtu chinyang tuktangi rima nam ne nganzu sar yongi yobala tonang jung masungam. Haven't you noticed that mosquitoes smell us out no matter where we are. Hemase, nganzu, ngemba, sakab, sala, torbe, chashi, jungnam, butokme, kangda, hakoa, re serna. And who tells the ants about the crumbs that we drop on the floor while eating? Te lela puri. Kotsu, tima, nombe, nubala, tenne, shebari. Simple. It's their sense of smell. Mi changme, kila, tima, nombar, nai, chorwa, hachang, nobo, yoba, shegiyu. Everyone knows that dogs have very sharp noses. Kodzu, nai, chorwa, numbo tela tenne, jakpatang, bomso, nye, tupa yongiyu. That's how they help us find robbers and bombs. Kegi ngazo meto, tumre, damne, dokap, uk ringbo, lempatang. So, do you know why we take a deep breath when we are passing by a beautiful garden? Genyik pungsoki damne dokap nakung kapne drowe gyutsen kangyin shegi yodam. And why we cover our noses when we are near a garbage heap? Penny ngo chewe trima nun chegi tor shela tenne yimbare. Because something is telling us to do so, and that something is our fantastic sense of smell.